Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about word journey. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. So, word journey is one of those mobile games that pops up with ads like make $500 in 1 week or cash out just by playing a few minutes a day. It's basically a word puzzle game. You swipe to form words and supposedly you earn money as you go. At first, it feels like you're winning. You see PayPal icons, dollar signs, even congratulation pop-ups. But the deeper you go, the more sketchy it gets. Sites like My Room is My Office and posts on Reddit like this one are full of users calling it out. The biggest issue is that you never really get the money. You keep playing, watching ads, and building up on your balance, but once you try to cash out, suddenly there's a problem. Players report fake progress bars, endless payout delays, and random minimum threshold that keep going up. One person even said the app hit them with an oops, something went wrong message every time they tried to withdraw. Scam Advisor doesn't give the developers much trust either, and there is zero presence on Trustpilot, which isn't a great sign when it comes to transparency. There's also no solid developer info, no contact support, and nothing to back up the payout claims. So is Word Journey legit? Short answer, nope. It's a typical bait and switch cash game. It gives you the illusion of earning, but you're really just watching ads and wasting time. If you enjoy word puzzles, go for it, but don't expect a single cent from it. It's entertainment at best, false advertising at worst. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.